On a sunny morning full of cheer, two tiny chicks came hopping near. They slid down grass all smooth and fast, laughing loud. What a blast! A dandelion puff flew in the sky. They giggled and watched it float so high. Splash! They jumped into a puddle so wide feathers flew with joy and pride. A butterfly came, so bright and new, one chick chased it, it almost flew. Leafy hats on head so proud, exploring bushes laughing loud. Oh, a ladybug on a leaf so green, they stared in wonder. What a scene! With petals and daisies they did play, making crowns to wear all day. Bounce, bounce on a mushroom red, wings out wide, joy ahead. One chick flapped with all her might. She flew a bit. What a sight! Then they chilled on a leaf so wide, watching cloud shapes float and glide. As the sun set, they snuggled tight. Two best friends. What a perfect night!